So we're back at Johnny's house. They've got the driveway in. They've got the backfill done. They did that Monday. And then they started framing. So I think they're 3 days into framing so far. So you can see they've got the first and second story done. And then they've got the garage done as well. Garage is on the left side and then the house is on the right side. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what they've got done so far. So this is the front door here. We've got the main floor. We've got the garage over here. We've got our center footings there, and our step footings, or stair footings. And these load-bearing walls in the center help support the floor and the floor trusses above. So where we've got this opening, where there will be a walkway through there, we've got that LVL beam that will carry the load. Got the same thing going on with the floor trusses there as well. Since they don't span, they need support, and that's where they get their support. This one's a little bit easier to see. It's a little lighter over here. So you can see the LVL is taking the load of the floor trusses and the floor above, and then it's spreading it down to these footings. So going upstairs, their next step is to do the interior walls and the roof trusses. Here we've got the back of the house. This is the back of the garage. That door is going to be for the lawnmower and the four-wheeler. It's got kind of a deep garage here, which would be nice. There's a view from the back. We got 2x6 walls with OSB. There is a pile of roof trusses. Driveway. It's the main road there. And this is going to be the front of the house. One really cool thing about floor trusses is you have all sorts of room to run pipe and mechanicals, you know, your HVAC, your plumbing. And if you're doing radon mitigation in a house that has these, it's quite nice because you can run pipe from one, you know, a storage room across to the garage or wherever you want to go fairly easily because there's room to do so. When you have floor joist, you don't have very many options of running across because you don't want to cut the structure away from floor joist. And then here is the garage. So there's the main door there. So one thing to mention in garages, you've got wider block. So we've got an 8-inch block because this is a garage wall. On the common wall of the house, we've got a 12-inch wide block. There's this little ledge that steps out into the garage, and that helps support the garage floor. So keep in mind, if you have a house, let's say we had a full basement or a lookout basement on the other side of this wall and this wasn't a slab on grade. Say we had interior drain tile and we were depressurizing that with radon mitigation. So you can't seal the top of the block in the garage floor, obviously. And usually there would be like a 4-inch lip of block that hang out here, like there is underneath this styrofoam. So in depressurizing the block wall, or the drain tile, you're depressurizing the block wall, and these finger holes, which the block layer uses to hold the block, if they aren't filled, and they aren't in a lot of older houses, your garage slab is sitting here, so you're going to get some inadvertent radon mitigation into the garage. So if that's an issue for you, if you need to move a lot of air, and you don't want the garage diluting the air that you are moving, you may want to consider moving your suction point away from the garage so that you don't lose some of your Mitigation Systems PFE to the garage. This week the framer is going to work on setting the roof trusses. He'll get that sheathed, and then he'll work on the interior walls. Next after that, the plumber will be in to do his plumbing rough in. I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. Thank you so much for watching.